Did President Joe Biden literally cost the United States millions of dollars because of what he did? Hey, welcome back YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to watch some videos, hopefully get some information that you're needing and to stay up to date on what's going on. If you come to the channel for news and updates and giveaways, then you found the right channel for you. We're gonna do our best to bring you guys up-to-date information on what's going on, but we're also going to say thank you by doing some huge giveaways. So guys, stay tuned until the end so that way you don't miss any information that's going on, and you definitely don't wanna miss out on the giveaway, because guess what? The next video, we're doing a huge giveaway of what's in the box, and you do not want to miss that, because let me tell you something, it's a really cool prize. So Bernie Sanders and Alexandria Cortez are pushing Biden to say, we don't want you just to extend the student loan where nobody has to pay it. We actually want you to cancel it, all of it. Not just a little bit of it, not 50,000 worth of it, but we want it all gone. If you still have student loans, let us know down in the comments below. I know that times are tough right now. Inflation is crazy. Gas prices are soaring, or they're a lot higher than they used to be. And right now is not a good time to pay back student loans. The average monthly payment for student loans is $400. Who's got $400 extra to pay on student loans when you have to put that money towards putting food on the table and putting gas on the car? The good thing is that President Joe Biden extended the payment date until August, so that way we've got a few more months, guys, before we have to worry about paying back student loans. Let us know if you're glad for it, and throw up some hands emoji in the comments to let us know if you're happy that he did that. So moving on. President Joe Biden has essentially killed any chance of the United States to have a cheaper gas at the pump. Let's face it, if you drive around, you'll see the high prices of gas that it just doesn't make any sense. And it's hard to think that just a year or two ago that it was half that price. But President Joe Biden has essentially killed any chance that the United States has to have a cheaper gas price at the pump. But thanks to our trade partners in Canada, the White House and President Joe Biden continue to tell everyone that they are searching for every possible way to lower the prices of the pump before election. For those of you who want us to be transparent and honest, let's say this: they cannot use that to just get votes to tell people what they want to hear. We've got to see them take action and lower the gas prices. How many of you guys agree that, hey, they should be doing something? There's no reason why prices should be at where they're at right now. So Canada is not really happy with our president, because they have offered us to give us exactly what we need to supply us with the oil and give us a cheaper price, because we're partners. We've got good allegiance with them. Analysts are saying that Canada has sufficient reserves to meet the U.S. demand, but the only problem is they can't really efficiently deliver it to us, so we've got to really work things out on how to get that oil from them, and at a great price. So here's some really mind-blowing news. Canada, like the U.S., is sitting on trillions of dollars of oil. They're wanting to get things moving. The Keystone Pipeline would have moved 830,000 barrels of oil a day from Canada all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, where it would be refined and then it would be sold to other countries. The issue that we are facing now is that the U.S. would be the first in line to get the cheaper oil, since we are considered as their best trade partner. But President Biden, President Biden, he did not look at moving oil in that direction. In fact, he said, why not put it on the trains? But you know what that would do? That would raise the cost of oil, which defeats the whole purpose, and it would slow down the amount of barrels to just 200,000 per day. This would only provide the U.S. with around 25% of what we need each day, and that's just not enough. The White House has decided to never reopen the Keystone Pipeline while Joe Biden remains the president. And while there's a ton that we can say on that, let us know your thoughts down below on why they are considering never to open it as long as he's president. So Jason Kenney, Canada's premier, was not happy when the US looked to Venezuela and Iran before actually looking to their loyal trade partner Canada for oil and gas. So here's some fun facts. When President Joe Biden was elected and took office, the price of oil was only $60 a barrel and gas was only $2.40 a gallon. Now that he's in office, it's $102 a barrel and the average price per gallon is $4.30. But there is some good news on the Democratic side. Senator Joe Manchin is the only Democratic senator who is open to helping the U.S. secure cheaper oil and gas that comes from Canada. Canada says that they are willing and able to meet the United States demand for oil, but things have to get moving from the White House before that actually happens. When I read this and I saw this information, to me, it sounded like the U.S. is missing out on a great opportunity to help Americans save gas and oil. But if we were to be honest, let us know from you guys in the comments if you feel like those in the White House are doing their job to take care of Americans. Guys, that was a whole lot of information to take in, because looking at this information, it doesn't really look like they're trying to do what's best for American people. So let us know what you think about it down below. So let's talk about what's in the box. So if you're looking for a really cool prize and you want to jump in, it's free. All you got to do is give us your guess in the comments to let us know what you think is inside the box. And then on tomorrow's video, we're going to be doing that huge giveaway of what's in the box. And you get to figure out what's been in there this whole time. Guys, I'm so excited for those who have guessed and participated. I really appreciate it. But for those that have got it right, I'm going to do a random selection, and whoever's name gets drawn out, the one person, they're going to get the prize that is inside the box. Guys, I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. We're also going to do another giveaway for 3 lucky subscribers when this channel hits 60,000 subscribers. Guys, we're almost at 58,000. That's mind-blowing. That's amazing. It's just so short amount of time that we're literally getting closer and closer to hitting 60,000. But I'm also going to do another giveaway Saturday for a gas card. So if you're wanting some money to put some gas in your car, stay tuned for that video to come. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this information was at least interesting in some aspect of it. Let us know your thoughts and comments down below. And guys, let us know the videos that you want us to produce. Do you want us to talk about stimulus checks? Do you want us to talk about Social Security? What do you guys want to hear from True Life Investing? Let us know. I'm also going to send a poll out so I can get a feedback from you guys, and I appreciate all those that comment and give their time. I really respect you and your time, and I thank you for doing that. So stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, I'm John Miro.